Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are good. Today, we are going to see the subject Social Science, Civics, Lesson or Environment. Okay, what is mean by environment? Do you know? The natural world. The natural world. The environment is also known as the surrounding. The environment is also known as the surrounding. What is meant by surroundings? The air, water and land, the people, animals and plants. These are all in our surroundings. The surroundings are very important to us. Clean surroundings keep us in good health. If you keep your surroundings clean means it will keep us in good health. But do we keep our surroundings clean? No. Shall we see the reason for that? The people pollute the surroundings in the following ways. Many people throw the garbage on the streets. First reason is many people throw the garbage on the streets. This makes our surroundings dirty. By throwing the garbage on the streets, it will make our surroundings very dirty. The garbage pollutes the land, air and water. The garbage pollutes the land, air and water. Air is polluted by factory smoke. This is one of the important reason for air pollution. Because of the factory smoke, the air is polluted. And another thing is, and the smoke from motor vehicles. Another reason is smoke from motor vehicles. Because of these two, the air is polluted more. These kind of pollution people will breathe bad air. Because of this pollution, people breathe bad air. And they drink unclean water. Because of these pollutions, they breathe bad air and drink unclean water. It is not good for health. So, they often fall ill and go to the doctor. And then another one, washing clothes in the river bank lead to pollute water. To avoid all this, we should keep our surroundings clean. Clean surroundings keep us in good health. So, we should avoid all these things. What is the first step to keep our surrounding clean? First one, we must put all waste things in the dustbin. We must put all the waste things in the dustbin. We need to keep our surroundings clean. Should not throw any waste things in streets and in our classrooms. Put all the waste things in the dustbin. After that, the municipal staff should remove the garbage daily. And the next thing, factories should clean the waste water and use it again. Factories should clean the waste water and use it again. It will help to reduce the water pollution. And motor vehicles should be kept in good condition, means we can avoid the air pollution. It is in good condition means we can avoid air pollution. Next thing, in our surroundings, one of the important thing is trees. Because of the trees, we are getting the purified air. Because of the trees only, we are getting good air and rain. It gives oxygen and take carbon dioxide. The trees gives oxygen and take carbon dioxide. So, the trees are good for our surroundings. Children, we should also plant at least one tree in your home. It will give healthy life and a happy life. We must grow more trees and take care of them. Plant more trees in your surroundings. Okay, children, plant more trees and live healthy. Let us learn some of the hard words in this lesson. Environment. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. Environment. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. Environment. Surroundings. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S. Surroundings. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S. Surroundings. Garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. Factories. F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-S, factories. F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-S, factories. Pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. Next one, motor vehicles. M-O-T-O-R, motor vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, motor vehicles. M-O-T-O-R, motor vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, motor vehicles. Environment. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. Surroundings. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S, surroundings. Garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. Factories. F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-S, factories. Pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. Motor vehicles. M-O-T-O-R, motor. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, motor vehicles. Read these words, children, again and again. Thank you. God bless you all.